In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Analytics property. Moving a property from one Google Analytics account to another can help you consolidate reporting, hand off ownership, or align your analytics with a new organizational structure. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right permissions. You'll need administrative access to the property you want to move and to the destination account. If you don't see the option to move a property, it usually means your access level or organization setup needs adjusting. Begin by opening your Google Analytics account. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account. If you manage multiple profiles, you'll see a gear icon labeled Admin at the bottom left corner of the interface. Click Admin to open the settings area where all account, property, and product level controls live. In the middle column, select the property you intend to move. If you're not seeing it, use the property picker at the top to search or switch. With the right property active, open Property Details. This page contains core information about the property, such as its ID and name, and it's where the Move option resides. Choose Move Property. This opens a guided panel that walks you through the transfer. Google will display requirements and a short overview of what moving entails. It's helpful to pause here and note that most property-level configurations and user permissions travel with the property, while settings tied to the original account may not. Linked products might need verification later, depending on your setup, but the property's measurement continues uninterrupted. Select the destination account from the list provided. You'll only see accounts where you have sufficient rights, so if the target account doesn't appear, that's typically a permission or organization visibility issue. Pick the account that should own this property going forward. Next, review and confirm the changes. Google presents a summary so you can double-check you're moving the correct property to the correct place. This review helps you anticipate what will change and what stays the same, reducing surprises after the move. When everything looks accurate, click. Start the transfer. The process usually completes quickly, though very large properties can take a bit longer. During the transfer, data collection continues and your tracking setup remains intact. After completion, the property will reside in the destination account and will be managed there going forward. That's the full process for moving a Google Analytics property. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make a clean, confident transfer.